In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save LibreOffice Impress as PDF. Turning a presentation into a PDF is perfect for sharing, printing, or archiving because the layout, fonts, and images stay exactly as you designed them, even for people who don't have Impress installed. First, launch LibreOffice Impress. Open it the same way you start any program on your computer. On most systems, you'll find it from your Applications menu or Start menu. If you land on a Start screen or a blank slide, that's fine. You're about to bring in the presentation you want to convert. Next, open your document. If it's listed under Recent Files, click it. Otherwise, choose File, then Open, browse to your .odp or .pptx presentation, and load it. Take a quick moment to confirm the slides look correct, animations are in place, and the content is final. PDFs are great for distribution, but they're not meant for editing later, so it's best to export once you're satisfied. Now go to the File menu in the top left corner of the window. This is where all of the saving and exporting options live in Impress. Click Export As. This reveals several export choices tailored to different formats. Choose Export Directly as PDF. The Directly option uses your current default PDF settings and skips extra dialogues, which makes it fast and consistent. If you ever need granular control, like exporting a specific slide range, adjusting image quality, or adding a password, there's also an Export as PDF option with a full set of preferences. For a quick, reliable PDF, Directly is exactly what you want. On Linux, macOS, and Windows, the menus may look a little different, but this path is the same across platforms. If you're preparing for print, confirm your slide size beforehand, because the PDF will mirror your presentation layout exactly. A Save dialog will appear. Select the folder where you want the PDF to live, such as Documents or Desktop, give the file a clear name, and click Save. Impress will handle the conversion and add the .pdf extension for you. If you're saving over an existing file, it will prompt you to confirm before replacing it. That's it. Your presentation is now a portable, shareable PDF in the folder you chose. Open it to spot-check the pages, then send it to colleagues, upload it to a classroom portal, or keep it as a print-ready copy. Any hyperlinks on your slides will remain clickable in the PDF, which is handy for digital handouts. To recap, open Impress, load your presentation, go to File, pick Export As, choose Export Directly as PDF, and save. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.